let's go behind the barn door and hear and see this bull calf. Who's over here mooing? Huh? Who's over here mooing? Are you mooing? Are you mooing? Oh, thank you. The boys and girls, thank you too. Yes. Yes. Huh?
Our show?
What'd you say? You're a cutie. You want to say something? Huh? You want to move? Oh, somebody else moved for you, huh? Someone else moved for you. Oh, here's somebody with the nose. Hi. Oh, everybody's moving. Someone said hello, everybody. Whoa. Oh, and you're coughing. You're a beautiful cow, too. Yes, you are. You know it, huh? Hi, your owner's brushing you, huh? Yes, you're getting a nice brushing today, huh? Gonna see a lot of people today, aren't you? Yes, you are. And how old is this cow?
He is a year old already. He was born March 28th.
He's a year old, boys and girls. So all of these cows, I have heard that they are around a year old. Yes. Can you say moo for everybody? Can you say moo for the kids? Come on, say moo. Come on.
Come on, go do.
Say moo. Moo. Moo.